Hello everyone, this is going to be a video to show you how to set up your Canvas course only to post your syllabus and use the gradebook. If you want to learn more, please go to the CTLE Canvas training. So right now I'm just at the GCC website, gccaz.edu. If you go under the Quick Links tab and you see Canvas right there, this will take you to the login. I actually bookmarked this page, as you can see right up here, as GCC Canvas because I log into this all the time. You're going to put in your MEID and your password like you use to log into your email and everything that you do for the school. Go ahead and log in. You're going to see all different things on here. You don't need to worry about this. What you want to do is get into your actual course. The way that you get into your course is go under this Courses tab. Hopefully your course is showing right here. If it is, click on it, log in, and don't worry about the next few little tips. If you're not seeing your course right here, what you want to do is click on this Customize button and scroll down and see if you can find the actual course. If you have a blue check next to it, that means that the course will appear in the drop-down menu. If you do not have the blue check next to it, it won't. So put the blue check there, make sure that you can see your course. If your course is not there, what I always do, what should be available for everyone, is this Canvas user group. I click on the Canvas user group course. Everyone should be able to see that or add it on there. And if you see right here it says the course request form, you can go ahead and click on the course request form, fill in your name, your MEID, your email address, the class, and then the class number, that's your section number right there. Submit it for request and they'll get it to you usually within 24 hours. That course will be loaded for you on Canvas. So you're going under courses, selecting your course, customize to find it if you don't, or request a course if absolute need be. So let's go under a course and see what it looks like. When you first start a course, you'll notice that it says this course is unpublished. What that means is students cannot see this course until you publish it. We're not going to publish it until we do a little bit of work first. The first thing we want to do is actually clean up this screen and make everything look nice. So the way that we're going to do this is by going under the settings on the left-hand side in the navigation menu. When I click under settings, I'm going to go under the navigation tab. And in the navigation tab, I have an option of choosing what students are going to see in this class. The only thing that this video is for is to show them the syllabus and the grade. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take absolutely everything else and I just click and drag it below. Now that I have everything below, I notice that I see grades and syllabus. I always like the first thing to be the syllabus, so I'm just going to swap the order of those right there. Some things that I also recommend leaving available would be the modules tab. What this modules tab will do is allow me to post any handouts that I do in school, and I can show you that very briefly as well. But once we've done this, now this is all the students will be able to see is the syllabus, grades, modules if you want to do that. If you don't worry about it. Vital that you come down here and you click save or all the work you just did won't work. Now that you've saved it, what we want to do is actually go in and upload our syllabus is the first thing I'm going to do. So what I'm going to do is click on the syllabus button on the navigation on the left. When the syllabus comes up, you'll see that there's nothing here. The syllabus is interactive. You can put due dates, and that's what will come right here as your assignments and your due dates. But what I like to do is just post a PDF version of the syllabus. The reason I do a PDF version is it's a lot easier for students to see. So what I'm going to do is come under this Edit Syllabus Description. I'm going to click on this File button over here. I'm going to upload a new file. Hit the Choose File button, and now I'm going to surf my desktop till I find the folder, and I'm going to have the PDF version of the syllabus. If you do not have a PDF version of a syllabus, when you go under Microsoft Word, go to Save As, and in the little drop-down menu where it says what would you like to save it as, choose a PDF file and save it as a PDF. But now I'm just going to click that Choose File. I have a PDF version of my syllabus, so I'm going to go ahead and click Open, and then here's another big one. I can see the syllabus right there. Now you need to click Upload. after you've uploaded it here, you can write a message if you prefer, something like click here to download or view syllabus. And then click the update syllabus button. Now what you'll notice is because it's a PDF, students will be able to preview the document very easily since it's a PDF. If you save it as a doc file, they won't be able to view it near as easily. So there's the PDF file right there. There's my syllabus. The students can see the syllabus and have a copy online, can access that whenever they want. So now I need to set up the grades. Syllabus is posted. I need to set up grades. How do I do that? Well, if you click on the grade tabs, you'll notice it has all of your students there, but there's nothing here for them to do. So what we actually have to do is populate it. So I'm going to click back here on the course in the breadcrumbs. And I need to add assignments to my gradebook to be able to enter the grades. So I'm going to click on the Assignments tab right over here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to create my own groups and my own assignments. I'm going to get rid of these. I don't like their little pre-assignment things. The way I get rid of them is I just click on the cog and click delete. And then I'm going to add groups. For instance, when I do this, I have a homework grade. I have a quiz grade. And I also have tests that I grade. Once again, I'm going to delete that assignments out of there now. And we have the different categories right here. So under homework, if I want to add an individual assignment, I'll click on here and add an individual assignment. If you put a due date here, this will link to the calendar in Canvas and it'll show the students when it's actually due. I just do an average homework grade. I always choose 100 points, but you can choose whatever you want it to be. And so now you can see the individual assignment under here. I'm going to go in and fill in my quizzes and tests as well, adding individual assignments by hitting the pluses underneath. Alright, now you can see I added some different individual assignments under here. Each one of these categories needs to have an individual assignment under it, or you will not be able to enter the grade in the gradebook. So whatever you see here, those individual assignments, is what you'll be able to enter grades for. I do not grade by points anymore. I actually grade by percentages based on the group. So the way that I can edit the percentages and the weights for each group is click on this assignment settings. I'm going to weight the final grades based on it, and then I can come in and set my individual settings right here. So now it's weighted perfectly. Every assignment's weighted the same within it. That's if you want to use weights. You do not have to use weights. You could do individual points if you want as well. So now my gradebook is completely set up. I can enter the grades underneath the grades. If you look at it now, I haven't published my course, so this won't work. But when you go under the gradebooks, now you're going to see the categories and the weights. When I publish this course, I'll be able to enter the grades underneath that gradebook tab just by hitting grades and entering the grades right there. If you want to learn more advanced techniques like how to import grades from other different programs, please take the CTLE Advanced Canvas training. Now we have our course ready. The syllabus is posted. The grades are set up. The gradebook is set up, so I'll be able to enter grades. The last thing I need to do is click the Publish button. Once this class is published, my students will be able to access it. They'll be able to access my syllabus and log in and see their grades anytime throughout the semester. So periodically through the semester, I'll go and input grades. The last thing I wanted to discuss real quick, underneath that Modules tab, if you want to post any different handouts, you can create a module. And within that module, I can add different types of things. So what I always do is I add a file, and then I click on New File, and I can add whatever handout I came up with the day, add the item, and now the students have access to that item right there. So anytime I do a handout in class or a quiz or something like that, I just post it underneath the modules tabs for the students to be able to see. That's just a nice little nifty tip to post all your classwork that you need. So that's the very basics of Canvas. I hope that helps you out and gets you up and running for the semester. Follow that handout if you didn't understand the video, or give me an email. Thank you very much.